I go to war about that right there, cause that's my baby and the love of the death. When it come to that, I don't need no help. I handle my business all by myself. We fuck unprotected, go to bed naked, cook for a nigga and
Alrighty, good morning, gang. So today's video I am going to be going to the most top rated makeup artist in my city. My appointment is at 11:45, so I am currently on my way. And yeah, so I will be filming the whole makeup application process for you guys. And you guys will see. I will tell you the ending price and everything once she is finished. So this is the finished results. Lauren really did her thing. Like, I went in there and told her to basically freehand, and this is what she gave me, and I am loving the dramatic look. If you guys know me, you've been subscribed to my channel long enough, you guys know I am extra. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload for more videos, and love you guys.